Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 multiplayer without Steam. We'll cover everything from initial setup to connecting with your friends. You'll learn the necessary steps to get your game ready, how to join or host a session, and some helpful tips for troubleshooting common issues. Get ready to enjoy this classic zombie shooter with your buddies, even without the official platform. First, make sure you have a standalone version of Left 4 Dead 2. This means it's not linked to a Steam account. Next, you'll need to find and install a specific multiplayer client or patch designed for non-Steam versions. There are several options available, so choose one that is well regarded. Finally, always verify your game files to ensure everything is correctly installed and ready for action. To join a friend, open the in-game console and type connect followed by their public IP address. If you want to host, you'll need to configure your router to open specific ports, typically port 27015, to allow incoming connections. Once your ports are open, start a local server and share your public IP address with your friends so they can connect to your game. If you encounter connection problems, first check your computer's firewall to ensure it isn't blocking the game. It's also crucial that all players are running the exact same version of Left 4 Dead 2 to avoid compatibility errors. For a simpler setup, especially for private games, consider using a virtual LAN tool. These tools create a simulated local network, making it much easier to connect with friends.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.